In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on YouTube mobile. So if you are on your YouTube account and you don't want people to comment on your videos, you can easily disable all comments on YouTube. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so let's start with the video. We won't be using the official YouTube mobile app, but we need to go to our web browser. You can use any web browser, and I'll open Safari since I'm on my iPhone. When you open Safari, you want to go to youtube.com. When you open YouTube's website, make sure that you are logged into the YouTube account on which you want to turn off the comments. Then we need to tap on these little letters right here and then request the desktop website. If you are on Android, then you have to tap on the three dots and find the button. This will load the full desktop version of YouTube's website on our mobile since that's what we need. The next step is to click on your profile picture right here, and then you need to open the YouTube Studio. If you have the YouTube Studio application installed, then you need to delete it because the browser will redirect you to that page. So open the YouTube Studio inside the web browser, and then you want to find the little gear icon which is at the bottom left side of the screen. This will open our settings, so you need to click on Upload Defaults. And then scroll down to the Comments section. And in order to turn off comments on your videos, just click on this Disable Comments button right here. Now your comments will be disabled and no one will be able to comment on your videos. And keep in mind that all of the previous comments that you had on your videos won't be deleted, they will just be hidden. If you want to enable the comments in the future, those old comments will be back on your videos. So if this video was helpful to you and you were able to turn off your YouTube comments, then leave a like on this video and I'll see you in the next one.